Greetings of the day. My name is Umang Arora and I am here to give a virtual presentation on the paper titled Screening of COVID-19 using Deep Learning for IMCCRT 2020. The co-authors are Dr. Swati Sharma, Umang Arora, Rakshit Goyal and Mr. Ajay Kumar. Burst forth in China, and still the continuing epidemic COVID 19 has resulted in global health crisis of people. To deal with the crisis smartly, data science and machine learning can play a vital role. It can be useful to develop algorithms and models that can predict the spread and make necessary arrangements beforehand to provide optimum medical and non medical facilities to people. The methodology section. We have carried out entire work process in Python language. The libraries that come quite handy are NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. The first step in any data science project is data elicitation. For this we need to refer various online sources like Kaggle. Some of the columns that we acquired contains are time, date of the record and the deaths and the number of cured people of the disease. The next step is to clean the dataset as per our requirements. We remove the unnecessary columns and add a few to make it more precise. The most important task is to analyze the dataset we have acquired and gather useful information from it. We use various techniques for analysis such as plotting the graph between various parameters that were available, like the line graph, bar graph, etc. After proper analysis, we can get the following results. The result of state, union territories versus the number of cases on 28 May has been shown in the figure. Maharashtra has the maximum number of positive cases in India, followed by Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and Delhi. The states like Uttarakhand, Tripura, Sikkim, Puducherry, Nagaland, Mizoram, etc. have very less number of cases, so these areas still can control the spread of virus and recover. This study presented a comprehensive analysis of COVID-19 outbreak in India. The spread was very slow initially, and some of the reasons could be the preventive measures taken by the government and people collectively. Gradually, the number of cases started rising. Our paper represents the growth trends of infected cases in India. The spread of COVID-19 initially was very slow. We can conclude that the rate of recovery is also increasing day by day, but it is still lower than the rate of increase of new cases. So we need some new strategies to lower the rate of spread of the virus. It can also be concluded that the rate of death was very low in the beginning and its rate of increase of new cases is very low. and our medical facilities are working day and night to stop it from increasing and trying to decrease it. The study will also be useful for the Government of India and various states of India. The references are thank you.